नमस्ते एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि क्या 2024 में हमें इंडिया के बाहर अपनी बैचलर्स डिग्री करने जाना चाहिए या नहीं, एंड इफ वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड टू गो अब्रॉड फॉर आवर अंडरग्रेजुएट डिग्री तो हम सही डिसीजन कैसे लें कि व्हाट आर द बेस्ट एंड लो बजट ऑप्शंस फॉर मी। The most popular study destinations for Indians are the US, Canada, Australia, and the UK. A lot of students choose countries other than the US because US education is considered very costly. So let's understand the basics of US universities. There are 8 Ivy League colleges, which are private universities and admittedly expensive, and tuition fees for Ivy League colleges such as Brown University, from where Anand Ambani graduated, can be as high as $68,000 per year. Then there are state-run or government colleges that are far less expensive, and some have tuition fee as low as $20,000 per year. As you can see, fees mein hi there is a lot of difference. Now, an even more interesting point is that some of these prestigious state schools give scholarships just based on your SAT score and GPA. यानी स्कूल के मार्क्स या अगर आप इंटरनेशनल बोर्ड में हो तो आपके IB के ग्रेड्स। अगर आपको SAT एग्जाम क्या है या इसकी तैयारी कैसे करनी है ये जानना है, then watch our earlier video here. अब आप जानना चाहोगे कि how do we find such colleges and more information about them. So let's get started. अभी तक if you haven't liked this video, so hit the like button now and subscribe for more such amazing videos. And stay tuned till the end. We have a free giveaway for everyone watching this. Many colleges and universities offer these merit-based scholarships to attract high-achieving students. ये scholarships vary करती है in terms of eligibility requirements and the award amounts. In general, the higher your SAT score, the more scholarships you may be eligible for. And उतने ज़्यादा chances हैं कि आप multiple colleges की scholarships के लिए qualify करोगे. Which is why cracking the SAT exam becomes the most important step in your study abroad journey. For example, some state schools like University of Alabama and Arizona State University have automatic merit-based scholarships जो आपके GPA और SAT score के combination से determine होती है. इन scholarships के लिए qualify करने के लिए minimum SAT scores can range anywhere from 1100 to 1450, with higher scores earning larger scholarships. अगर आप इन scholarships में interested हो, you should research more about individual schools and their specific scholarship opportunities and requirements. तो इस वीडियो में I will show you how to go about doing this research. For this video, we have picked one college for this purpose, University of Alabama. University of Alabama, Alabama State, जो US के साउथ ईस्ट में है, कि एक छोटे से शहर टस्कलूसा में है. US में स्मॉल टाउन में पढ़ने का एक मेजर एडवांटेज ये है कि you will save a lot of money in rent and living expenses, जो आपकी स्कॉलरशिप most of the times cover नहीं करती है. For example, Tuscaloosa में rent is 84% cheaper than New York. Now this university is not a very high ranked university, but still ranks in the top 100 for public universities and especially for undergraduate engineering programs. किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी की सबसे authoritative यानी trusted ranking देखने के लिए go to the US News website. You will also see a lot of other details about the college on the US News website. जैसे application fee कितनी है, कितने % बच्चों को admission मिलता है, and yearly tuition fees and costs. Money matters, right? So let's discuss the scholarships. And if this video is useful for you, hit the like button so that YouTube also recommends this to other students like you. Once you have shortlisted some universities, go to their website to check कि क्या वहाँ पे scholarships and especially SAT score and GPA based scholarships हैं क्या? Let's look at the example of University of Alabama. यहाँ 3.5 GPA and 1420 SAT score के ऊपर ही you get $28,000 in scholarship. The fees was approximately $32,000, and with $28,000 in scholarship, the effective fee comes down to only $4,000. That's about 3.3 lakhs per annum, which, if not lower, is comparable to government colleges in India and cheaper than most private colleges. Interesting information, right? And what's more, there is a special presidential elite scholarship, जिसमें you will not only get tuition waiver, first year hostel free, ऊपर से university will keep paying you throughout the 4 years. But the catch is you will need a 1600 SAT for that. Now, if you have a 1600 SAT, you will obviously want to go to an even better college. But anyway, अगर बिल्कुल free में पढ़ाई करनी है, that's an option. Finally, let's look at what's the payoff. कॉलेज से प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे होती है? क्या यूएस में जॉब्स मिल जाएंगी या वापस इंडिया लौटना पड़ेगा? If you did not spend a lot, you can always come back and get a job in India. But अगर बाहर पढ़ने गए हो, तो very likely you want to work there as well, at least for a couple of years. So let's look at how to go about researching placement options. इसके लिए I suggest 3 steps. So first, यूनिवर्सिटी के वेबसाइट पे प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट चेक करो. Which companies are recruiting और एवरेज पैकेजेस क्या हैं? अगर आप यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एलिबामा के वेबसाइट पे देखोगे तो इस यूनिवर्सिटी के 2023 कंप्यूटर साइंस ग्रेजुएट्स की एवरेज सैलरी $89,000 थी. That's 75 lakhs in rupees. And that was the average, not highest salary. और यहाँ से माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और Amazon जैसी कंपनीज ने भी डायरेक्टली रिक्रूट किया है, which doesn't happen in a lot of Indian colleges. Second, LinkedIn पे जाओ and look for students जो उस यूनिवर्सिटी से पास आउट हैं, preferably Indian or international students. If you don't find undergrad students in the university, you can look up master students also. See if they got into jobs in the US. Which companies? You can also add them on LinkedIn and ask them how was their placement experience. Are companies coming on campus willing to sponsor their H1B or work visa? अगर visa sponsor नहीं होता है तो either you have to do a master's or you may have to return in 1 or 2 years. Finally, drop a mail to their career office asking specific questions on how they help students get jobs. A good career office with a nuanced approach for internationals is a good sign. अगर उनको कुछ नहीं पता तो they will not help much and आपको अपनी networking से job ढूंढनी पड़ेगी. So I hope all this was helpful. It's not that difficult to do some research. अगर आपको और किसी यूनिवर्सिटी या किसी और कंट्री के ऑप्शंस के बारे में जानना है तो write to us in the comment section and we will try to make a video on that. We are also sharing a list of universities and their scholarships, so grab your free copy now. But remember, your journey starts with the SAT. SAT की तैयारी आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो. But if you want to know more, then visit us at satprepgurgaon.com to schedule a free session. Hit the like button now and subscribe and share this with students in 11th, 12th and gap year जो college admissions को लेके worried हैं. This would be of great help to them. So keep researching and keep exploring further and take the leap towards an exciting international education.